Welcome back to Will It Microwave, the series where I put your suggestions in my microwave to see what happens. Looks like today we've got a bar of soap. Make sure you comment with anything that you want to see in the microwave next, because the top comment on this video will be added to the wheel tomorrow. And make sure to follow too, because at 10,000 followers, I'm gonna microwave a car battery. The soap actually got so hot that it made the microwave plate break. What should I microwave next?